Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change settings when week starts in WordPress. So if you want to set which day the week starts, you need to log into administrator panel on WordPress. After that, you need to move your cursor to the left panel, and here you need to find settings. Now we need to go to general settings, and here we need to scroll down, and here we have special option like week starts on. On default it is set to Monday, but sometimes people want to change it to another day, so I click on this one list, and for example I select here Sunday. Then I click Save Change, and from this moment settings will be changed. How you see settings are saved, so we can scroll down, and how you see on week starts on option we have text Sunday. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.